Hello guys, welcome back to our new vlog. So I am in Champawat right now and it is very cold, cool weather, and I am enjoying the weather right now. So it's around 8:30 p.m. and we are going to take our dinner, and after that we will go to sleep. And yes, very cool weather, very good weather, and right now I am just standing front. Behind me there is a jungle, deep jungle, and I cannot go anywhere right now. So right now I have to just take the food and go to sleep. So I am going to take my dinner right now. It's typical Pahari dinner and it is mooli ki sabji, dal, mixed dal, and it is made from curd. And this one is made from, this is right kind of pudding made from milk. So I am going to have my dinner. So friends, after taking my dinner, now I am going to show you the interior part of my home. Now my home is almost completed. The decoration progress is going on now. So I am going on the first floor and now I will show you how much it's completed. So let's go.
इसके बीच में मत रखना, ये रखना इस पे रखना।
So friends, this is drawing room and you can see the lightings over here, how much it is completed and how beautiful it is looking. And you can see the lightings, purple and golden light has been used in the drawing hall, drawing room, and it is looking good. And now this is dining room. Dining room is a bit small, and this is kitchen. This is lightings of kitchen, and it is also looking beautiful. And see how it is looking from here to there. And this is mandir room, temple room, and this is basically Ganesh, Lord Ganesh here, and this is for the temple room. Over here, this is going to be used in temple, and you can see here Gayatri Mantra has been written, and these are the lightings of the gallery here. And now this is lighting of my room. You can see this. The color combination is used here is orange and light orange, and these are the lighting of my room. And the gallery here, it is looking like this, and overall it's looking beautiful. And friend, this is room of mom and dad, and here you can see it is totally oiled up and well furnished, and this is totally made of wooden room it is. And you can see this one room is looking epic. I hope in future we will convert all room like this. Now you can see. And I don't know around how much it has been cost to meet this room. इसको बनाने में कितने रुपए लगे होंगे, इस कमरे को बनाने में?
ये क्या मालूम क्या पता चलेगा इसमें?
पता नहीं चलेगा.
ये क्या पता चलता?
So we cannot know the price. Basically, you can see this room is looking very beautiful. And this is another room. This is the room of my brother Vipul, and you can see this room has also a very distinct kind of color combination. These are the almirahs of this room, and this room is also looking good, beautiful, scenic look. Basically it has, when you open the window, it's night right now, we cannot open the window. In morning or in daytime tomorrow I will show the outside view. So now I have shown you the view from inside, basically the interiors. And in daytime I am going to show the full house from outside, how it is looking from outside. So guys, this is the night view of the city, Champao city, and you can see in night it is looking very beautiful. From first floor I am showing this to you. Basically there is another floor upside here. It is made of full of woods and old pahadi pathars, pahadi stones basically, which is called as pathar. Now I cannot show you right now because it's night. You will be not able to see that. So in daytime I'm going to show you that. Yeah, that means tomorrow. So friends, now I am in the second floor, and now we are going to show you the interiors of our another wooden house which is totally made of woods, and I'm going to show you the interiors. So let's see. And you can see the city. The city from this floor is looking very vibrant and beautiful. The city lights from here, you can see how beautiful it is looking. And Champao at night looks very beautiful. So work is on progress here. So there is no electricity right now over there. So I am going to show you that room tomorrow morning or at daytime basically. And all the structure of a different kind of structure has been made. All this will be visible tomorrow morning. You can see basically right now some of the infrastructure is visible here, and this is total pahadi structure. Basically old Uttarakhandi homes were made like this. So this is it. So friends, right now you saw the newly constructed building, interior part of the newly constructed building, and now tomorrow I will show you the exterior part, how much it is constructed. So now I am going to take some rest and edit this part and meet you tomorrow. So right now in which room I am taking rest or sleeping is this room. It is jam packed with almiras, and there is a photo of Lord Krishna. So I am going to take sleep. Let's meet tomorrow.